Gigapixel versus Topaz Photo AI. Choosing the right AI photo enhancement tool can transform your image quality without losing detail or adding artifacts. Both tools offer powerful AI upscaling but differ in features and ease of use. Gigapixel and Topaz Photo AI add advanced AI-powered image enhancement tools designed to upscale and improve photos. The core difference lies in Gigapixel's focus on pure upscaling and sharpness, while Topaz Photo AI combines upscaling with noise reduction and sharpening in one app. Gigapixel is a dedicated image upscaling software by Topaz Labs that uses deep learning to enlarge images up to 600% while preserving natural details and textures. It works by analyzing millions of sample images to intelligently add pixels, enhancing sharpness and clarity without the blur common in traditional resizing. Gigapixel's strengths lie in its specialized focus on upscaling, delivering crisp and high-resolution results ideal for photographers and designers who need large prints or high-quality crops. It supports batch processing and works well with various image formats. However, its limitation is that it primarily focuses on upscaling and does not include comprehensive noise reduction or artifact removal, which may require additional software. Gigapixel is best suited for users who want a straightforward, powerful tool to enlarge images with minimal quality loss, especially when detail preservation is critical. Topaz Photo AI is an all-in-one AI-powered photo enhancement software that combines upscaling, noise reduction, and sharpening in a single workflow. It uses advanced machine learning models to analyze each image and apply tailored adjustments, improving clarity, reducing noise, and enlarging photos simultaneously. This integrated approach saves time and effort by eliminating the need to switch between separate applications. Topaz Photo AI's strengths include its ease of use, automation features, and ability to enhance lower quality images by cleaning noise and sharpening details alongside upscaling. It is ideal for photographers and hobbyists who want a comprehensive enhancement solution without juggling multiple tools. On the downside, while it performs well across multiple tasks, some professional users may prefer specialized tools for the highest level of detail control. Topaz Photo AI suits users looking for a versatile, user-friendly app that improves image quality broadly, making it particularly helpful for everyday photo editing and batch processing. Gigapixel excels when the primary goal is high-quality image enlargement with sharp detail retention, making it perfect for large prints or cropping. Its focused approach means fewer distractions, but requires pairing with other software for noise or artifact correction. Topaz Photo AI offers a more holistic solution, combining upscaling with noise reduction and sharpening, which simplifies workflows and improves images that need overall enhancement. However, this all-in-one approach may not match Gigapixel's precision in pure upscaling. For professionals prioritizing maximum detail in enlargements, Gigapixel is preferable. For users seeking convenience and balanced enhancement across multiple aspects, Topaz Photo AI delivers more value. Both tools integrate well into photo editing pipelines but serve different user needs depending on whether specialized upscaling or comprehensive enhancement is the priority. Choose Gigapixel if your focus is on superior upscaling quality with sharp, detailed enlargements, especially for professional printing or high-resolution cropping. Topaz Photo AI is the best choice for users wanting a versatile all-in-one photo enhancer that combines upscaling with noise reduction and sharpening. It streamlines editing and improves overall image quality, making it ideal for everyday photographers and hobbyists alike.